Hi there, I'm Lara from Using Technology Better, and we're here at the beautiful Remarkables Primary School in Queenstown to talk to you about Chromebooks and why managing them in your school is such a great idea. So as a school, you're probably looking at one or two, or maybe a mixture of situations with your Chromebooks. You're either a school who provides Chromebooks for your students, so they're owned by you, or your students are bringing them from home, BYOD, and possibly a mixture of both. Whatever your scenario, managing your Chromebooks makes it really easy for you to ensure your students are in a safe, secure environment while they're at school, as well as managing the apps and settings and controls within the Chromebooks themselves. So let's talk about BYOD. 3 key reasons why as a school you should be managing your BYOD devices. Number 1, safe and secure environment. Without managing these devices, the environment is so much more open for students. You cannot control where they're going in the same way you can when you manage a device. Number 2, being able to push out apps and extensions and also help students with certain settings on their Chromebooks as well. This is key to support their learning and to provide them with the tools that they need to get the job done. And number 3, outside of school hours, the Chromebooks are no longer managed. They go home and it's up to the families to organise how they want to manage those devices at home. Managing Chromebooks is super easy and it's all done within the Google Admin Console. There's over 200 individual settings which allows you to customise what students can and cannot do on their Chromebooks, depending on year level, classes, groups and more. There's a number of ways to do this, and if you're BYOD, a great way is to hold enrolment days where students at certain year levels bring along their devices, get them enrolled with the settings that they need. One thing to be really aware of here is that when they are enrolled, they will be basically reset. So any files that are not stored in the cloud but actually on the actual device themselves, as well as apps that have been pushed out, will be reset and cleared. So let's recap why you want to manage your Chromebooks at school. 1, creating a safe and secure environment for your students. 2, the ability to push apps and extensions out to all of the devices. 3, customising the settings for individual students or groups of students. 4, outside of school hours, your BYOD devices revert back to not being managed by you at all. So I hope this video has really helped to clear up for you some of the questions you might have had around managing Chromebooks and BYOD. If you'd like any more information, please flick us an email to support@usingtechnologybetter.com or jump onto our website www.usingtechnologybetter.com.